Welcome guys, welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. Hope everyone is doing well. Yes guys, as you see, the weather is a little chilly today. But what I'm doing today, I'm actually doing a research, an experiment. And because what happened is, I saw some seeds and I'm going to show you in a minute what did I use, and listen to me. I saw these seeds germinate so fast, and the good thing about it is I only watered them one time, and that was the day that I set the seed. Because what happened is this thing holds water, and this is why I always recommend using these things in your soil, especially whether you're doing container or in-ground garden. It holds moisture, which is very important. So it can save you a massive water bill, and at the same time it's doing a wonderful job by adding nutrients to our soil. And I saw some seed, like I was saying guys, and it did wonderful. So I come back today again to get some more, because I want to set some more seed. I want to set the same seed from the same pepper, like the same pepper, open it, take the seed, and I want to set them in, both of them, in the sun and in the compost, and see the result. But I already see the result, how fast they germinate. But I want to do a test, and I love doing experiment guys, because that's how you learn and that's how you expand in your knowledge. So today I'm going to show you what I'm doing guys, and this might be a little challenging for a lot of people, but for me I think it's a wonderful thing. Some people ask me, planter, why you do so much? Why you go so hard? Why you go so extra? And my answer always is, I believe in growing natural, because I believe when I grow natural, the food that I eat help build me and keep me strong and healthy. And I believe in observing nature and watch what nature does, and it actually works in the forest, and it also works in my garden. So what we're going to do now guys, let me show you what I'm talking about here. Now, like I show a lot of videos with these type of things right here. So as we see, this is actually a tree trunk, a tree that breaks down. And what we actually doing, I did this already, and guys, this is the tree trunk that breaks down, and it also have like the tree leaf that also break down. So what I do, I sift it out, because it's for seeds. And if you're doing it for seeds, you want to make sure you get all these logs out, because the seed wouldn't be able to function between these logs, the seedlings. So it prefer to have the basic soil. So listen me guys, this is full. This thing is well balanced. This is well balanced out. So we just need the fine dust, the fine ones, and then you sow your seed in them, and I'm telling you, you will be surprised how fast these things grow. And then you know what's good again, guys? You ain't got to worry about bugs. You know, sometimes you buy a lot of things to put in your, to sow your seed into, and when you do, look, you see a lot of flies. You see a lot of flies start coming out in the soil. With this, you don't, I ain't see any flies, I ain't see any bugs. So it works really good, guys. And remember, if you set your seed in rich soil like this, remember, you're gonna have to transplant them in rich soil as well. Because when they custom to this type of richness, when you transplant them, they expect to get the same richness. Because if they're not getting the richness, they're not gonna do well. You actually reversing the process. So make sure you observe that. If you're setting them in rich soil, make sure you transplanting them in rich soil as well. You see down in here, guys, watch. You see, you could naturally feel. Look the richness, guys. So when you throw your seedling down in there and you wet it, your seedling just start running, guys. Start germinate pretty fast. But like I mentioned, guys, if you sow your seed in rich soil, you're gonna have to transplant them in rich soil. So I'm not gonna do too much. I have a lot more to do, but I'm not gonna do too much. But at least you guys have a grip of what I'm talking about. And I'm going to set some lettuce seed and some kale seed in this. And guess what? Also, where I'm gonna be planting the kale them, I'm gonna get some of these and put in the holes them. So basically, when we transplant, what's gonna happen? We basically gonna transplant them in the same type of soil. Look at this thing, guys. I think this is one of the best thing you could set seed into, because it's natural and nothing adds to it. It's just from nature itself. Nature break it down. There's no kind of things add to it. Just like this, guys. It didn't cost me a dime. All it cost me some time. And this is it right here. This can actually set a lot of seed. Look at it, guys. Look at the richness. Alright, so when you transplant put your seed in this, they germinate pretty fast and then they start growing. Alright, so guys, I hope this video can motivate someone. I hope that video can motivate someone. That it might be looking complicated, but it's not. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Peace.